and eating. As you can imagine, 4 hours when you're actually active, you need to fit just about everything into that, and it's mainly stuffing your face full of food. Now, food for her are those green leaves that you can see right next to her. So she's sitting in amongst dinner there. She eats gum leaves. They are the leaves of a eucalyptus tree, of which there are a number of hundred species. She is fairly fussy though. She'll only eat about 3 or 4 different species of eucalypt leaves. The rest of them she will not touch. She could be sitting in a whole bunch of eucalypt leaves, but if they're the wrong sort, she would starve. But she's well taken care of there. She gets all the food that she can possibly handle, and all she has to do is open her jaws and chew it, and then of an evening around about 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock of an afternoon, she gets a whole fresh load. They get shoved in those little containers there, and she knows that there's a nice fresh load of leaves. Oh, you're going to eat some leaves for us, are you, girl? That's the style.
About 20 years ago, they were having trouble with eye infections. Is that still a problem?
It is still a problem. A lot of eye infections, a lot of chlamydia infections from the wild koala population. They have suffered from a number of diseases.
Oh, most of venereal, wasn't it?
I'm not sure what the transmission factor for it is, but I would suspect it is, yes. But there she goes eating the gum leaves. Now, it's going to take something in the order of 4 days for that gum leaf that she's eating now to pass through the koala, if you take my point. The reason for that is gum leaves take a lot of digesting. They're pretty tough. There's not a lot of nutrient in them. They're very stringy. There's even not much moisture in them.